Good morning and welcome to Monday, October 26th. This is the last week of this rotation, so you got one more week of math and science with me before you head back to language arts and social studies with Fitz. We've got a lot going on this week just to kind of clean some things up. We will be planning on testing on our flex day on Wednesday this week for this geometry unit. So if there are any questions, guys, the next couple of days would be the time to be asking those things. There will be some test review, especially tomorrow, but I'll also put another test review on for Wednesday before we take the test. But again, guys, there's no hesitation. Please make sure you are asking me if there's something you're not understanding. Today, there is one last final new piece of information. We are going to combine a couple of different skills. We are still dealing with geometry, but we're also going to be working on the coordinate plane and coordinate pairs and being able to plot those points on a graph and create shapes, especially things like triangles where we can then use that information to help find area and length of sides, things like that. So not anything terribly new today, but again, a new little twist, new little concept on how we might create our 2D shapes. For science today, we are continuing with body systems, and today's body systems are the digestive and excretory systems. So there are some videos and some things to read about in there, and also a couple of exit tickets to make sure that you do complete for today. We're going to continue to try to wrap up the body system so that by Friday of this week, we are able to take a short quiz on the body systems and kind of wrap up that unit in science as we move forward. All right. We've had a good rotation, guys. I really feel like we've kind of hit our learning targets and people are understanding what we're doing. So that's fantastic. Please remember to be advocates for yourself, though. Please remember to be sharing questions with me if you have some. Don't just be laying back there and hoping that those things will come to you. Just with the limited amount of time that we have in person or the limited amount of time for me to answer questions when you are distance learners, guys, I can't guarantee that I'm going to get to you as quickly as I need to or as often or as much as I need to. So I really need you guys to be proactive and asking me those questions. And you've done a good job progressing with that stuff, but continue to do that and make sure that we are feeling comfortable, hopefully, with that. Like I said, a lot of things, whenever we've got that last week of a rotation or those last couple days, we want to make sure we clean everything up. So please make sure you're getting in there and checking your missing assignments in your grade book. We all should know how to do that at this point. I will make sure I get in there and actually flag it as missing today, just to make sure that we are aware of what is out there that we need to get done, that maybe we forgot to do or we were absent for, or whatever the case may be. Most of the stuff is pretty straightforward, I think, in both math and science for this rotation. So it shouldn't be too lengthy. You're not looking any other place other than Schoology to turn this stuff in. So please make sure that you are accomplishing that. Look forward to seeing everybody back in class this week. Hopefully we have a good week there. And we do have a few things, extra things, hopefully that will be fun and exciting for you this week. All right. Have a great day, guys, and I look forward to hearing from you.